Last month, 89% of new YouTube channels failed in their first 30 days. Traditional video editing is dying. Professional editors now charge $500 per video, and most creators are bleeding money. But there's a secret weapon that top YouTubers don't want you to know about. In next few minutes, I'll show you how TubeMagic AI is revolutionizing content creation, and why waiting even one more day could cost you thousands in lost revenue. Listen closely, because what I'm about to share isn't just another editing tool tutorial. Your competitors are already using AI tools to pump out videos daily. While you're sleeping, they're cranking out viral content in minutes. I've tested over 50 AI tools this year, and nothing comes close to what TubeMagic can do. But here's the scary part. Early adopters are already dominating niches. The first thing you'll notice when you open TubeMagic is its sleek interface. Don't let that fool you. Underneath lies a powerful AI engine that's been trained on millions of successful YouTube videos. Launch it by clicking the big blue button in the top right. Every second you waste is a viewer lost to your competition. Trust me, I learned this the hard way. Now let's talk about what's killing most YouTube channels. Terrible scripts. Your manually written scripts are probably driving viewers away. I see this mistake everywhere. TubeMagic's AI analyzes thousands of viral videos to generate hooks that grab attention in seconds. While traditional script writing takes 4 hours, TubeMagic does it in 2 minutes. Click Generate Script and watch as it crafts perfect hooks, stories, and calls to action. But remember, this feature could become premium only soon. Here's a pro tip that shocked me. The AI can even analyze your competitors' most successful videos and reverse engineer their script structure. Just paste their video URL and boom, instant viral script template. But be quick about it. I've noticed more creators discovering this feature every day. The most frightening stat I've discovered: 98% of videos get buried by YouTube's algorithm. That's where TubeMagic's SEO tool comes in. It reverse engineers viral videos to generate perfect titles, tags, and descriptions. Without these optimizations, your video is practically invisible. Click Optimize and watch your rankings soar. But act fast, because your competitors certainly are. Speaking of competition, let me show you the analytics dashboard. It tracks your competitors' upload times, view velocity, and engagement rates. Knowledge is power, and this tool gives you everything you need to outperform them. But don't just track them. Use TubeMagic's pattern recognition to understand why their videos succeed or fail. TubeMagic's AI analyzes millions of successful thumbnails and creates attention-grabbing designs that actually convert. I've seen click-through rates double overnight using this feature alone. The platform is getting major updates next week. Early users are getting grandfathered into premium features, but this window is closing fast. Imagine creating a month's worth of content in one day. TubeMagic can handle multiple videos simultaneously, each optimized for maximum engagement. Unlock endless video ideas with TubeMagic AI. Are you tired of struggling to come up with new and exciting video ideas for your YouTube channel? Do you wish you had a constant stream of inspiration to help you create high-quality content that resonates with your audience? TubeMagic AI's Video Ideas feature is a game-changing tool that helps you generate a never-ending supply of video ideas tailored to your specific niche or topic. How it works. Using TubeMagic AI's Video Ideas feature is easy. Type in a keyword or user handle. Simply enter a keyword or user handle related to your niche or topic. Let TubeMagic AI generate ideas. Click the Generate button and let TubeMagic AI's advanced algorithm work its magic. Get inspired and start creating. Browse through the list of video ideas generated by TubeMagic AI and get inspired to create high-quality content for your audience. Discover trends and insights with TubeMagic AI's video research feature. But that's not all. Stay ahead of the competition. Use TubeMagic AI's video research feature to stay up to date with the latest trends and insights in your niche. Never run out of ideas again, whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out. One last thing before I wrap up. The analytics integration. TubeMagic doesn't just create content, it learns from your results. Every video you publish makes the AI smarter, more targeted, and more effective at growing your channel. But this learning process takes time. The sooner you start, the further ahead you'll be. You've just witnessed how TubeMagic AI is changing the game forever. Don't let your channel become another statistic. Artificial intelligence was created with one primary goal: to make life easier by replicating human intelligence. It all started in the 1950s, when computer scientists like Alan Turing imagined machines that could think. By 1956, at the Dartmouth Conference, the term artificial intelligence was officially coined. Early AI was focused on solving logical problems and basic tasks, but it quickly evolved. Fast forward to today, and AI is solving some of humanity's biggest challenges, from self-driving cars to powering platforms like YouTube. It's the engine behind recommendations, trend analysis, and even content creation. But how does this impact you as a content creator? AI is a game changer for managing a YouTube channel. Here are 3 key ways it helps. AI tools analyze massive amounts of data to spot trending topics and keywords. Instead of guessing what your audience wants, you can use AI to plan content that resonates. Editing can take hours, but AI speeds up the process. Tools like auto-cutting, voice syncing, and even adding subtitles are now just a few clicks away. AI also helps with audience interaction. It can organize comments, highlight frequently asked questions, and track how your videos are performing. This leaves you more time to respond authentically and build stronger connections with your viewers. AI is your co-pilot, not your replacement. Use it to work smarter, not harder. And hit subscribe now, smash that like button, and grab Tube Magic through my link below before it's too late. This could be your last chance to get ahead of the curve. See you in the next video, if you're quick enough to still be in the game.